How to look at memories on Snapchat. So first things first is you have to go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and then search for Snapchat and make sure that you have updated the application. Now, if you'll see an update button, click on that and wait for it to be updated. It's very important for you to update your application. That is because there's new features that you can only access once you update your application, and of course, there are bugs that can only be fixed once you update your application too. So after updating your application, let's say you're done with that, what you're gonna do next is to proceed here to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here directly to your camera. Now, it's a very easy step to how to look at your memories on Snapchat. What you're gonna do is here you will see the camera, right? The filters and such. Now, on the left side, you'll see this small circle here. If you click on that, here you will see all your memories. Basically, from October, May, April, up until the end, up until the January 2020, which I have first used Snapchat. And basically, all you can see all the photos, the videos that you have taken from there, and that is it. That is how to look at your and basically that's how to look at memories on Snapchat, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.